Google Forms lets responders upload files for collection such as documents, images, and even videos. During setup, you can specify the allowed file type, maximum number of files, and maximum file size. Note that responders must have a Google account to upload files. The results are shown as a list of submitted files that you can review in a dedicated folder created automatically for the Google form on your Google Drive. I have a wedding RSVP form here and want to collect photos for the bride and groom by setting up a file upload question. You will see a notification that files will be uploaded to your Google Drive and that responders will need to sign in with their Google accounts. Click Continue, then type in instructions for what kind of files you're requesting. I recommend specifying the allowed file types by toggling that option. For my reception slideshow, I will allow videos, presentations, and images. I will also set the limit up to 10 files per guest, with a maximum file size of 10 megabytes each, so no one takes all my Google Drive space. This question will not be required. Additionally, under Settings for your form, scroll down to File Upload and set a total upload size for all the uploads and set it at 1 GB, 10 GB, 100 GB, or 1 TB max size. Responses will not be accepted once the limit is reached. Let's take a look of how this looks on the Responders view. Responders can click on the Add File option and find files for submission, then upload them to the Google Drive of the questionnaire owner. They can remove any of the files by selecting the X next to the name. On the Google Form owner's side, under Responses, they will see a list of submitted files and a link to the folder that holds it under Google Drive. Thanks so much for watching.